Okay, so this lesson is on simplifying rational expressions. So the way that we are going to simplify these, we're going to reduce the top and we're going to reduce the bottom and then see if anything cancels out that's on top and bottom. So if you're just looking at the numerator, 2x plus 8 or minus 8, I can take a 2 out. So when I take a 2 out, it becomes x minus 4, right? Because I divided everything by 2. On the bottom, I can't take anything out, but I can factor it. I want to see what will multiply to give me negative 24 and add to give me 2. And it's going to be 4 and 6, right? 4 and 6 will multiply to give me 24. And if I combine them, so like if I make this a positive 6 and the 4 be a negative 4, then those would add to give me a positive 2. So the bottom factored is x minus 4 and x plus 6. So then I want to look and see, is there anything on top and bottom that will cancel? And yes, there's an x minus 4 on top and on bottom. So those will cancel. So this final answer is going to be 2 over x plus 6. Now, if you're not good at factoring, remember we did a lesson where we can go to Desmos. X squared plus 2x minus 24. Now we'll tell you what your factors are, a negative 6 and a positive 4. And all you really have to remember is when you put them in the parentheses, you put them in as opposites. So instead of a positive 4, I made my parentheses an x minus 4. And instead of a negative 6, I made it an x plus 6. All right, let's do another one. So on top, what will go into 8 and 16? An 8. So I'm going to take an 8 out. And that leaves me with m minus 2. I'm going to show you how to do the factoring with Desmos, just to refresh your memory. Remember with Desmos, you have to use x's. You can't use m's. So it's a negative 5. So when I put that in parentheses, it's actually going to be an x plus 5. And then my other one is a positive 2. So when I put it in parentheses, it's going to be an x minus 2. But again, sorry, those should be m's. So let's make these be m's. So what's on top and bottom that can cancel? Those m minus 2's. So my answer is 8 over m plus 5. All right, some more. Again, if you want to use Desmos, let's just keep going. X squared minus 7x minus 18. So that's going to be at a negative 2 and a positive 9. So it's going to be x plus 2, or sorry, and a b minus 9. So we'll make that a b. And then on bottom, that's going to be a b plus 2 and a b plus 1. So I can cancel out the b plus 2's. So final answer is b minus 9 over b plus 1. So basically we're just reducing and seeing what will cancel. Let's do another one. On top, I can take out a 45x. And that leaves me with an x minus 1. If I divide both of those by 45x. On bottom, I can take out a 27x. And that leaves me with x minus 3. Okay, so my x minus 1 and x minus 3, those won't cancel. But 45 over 27 will reduce to 5/3. And my x's can cancel. Those x's cancel. And 45 over 27, let me show you how I figured that out in the calculator. If you just do 45 divided by 27, and then change that to a fraction, it'll tell you what it reduces to. It reduces to 5/3. So my final answer is 5 and x minus 1 over 3 and x minus 3. All right, the v's on top, that will reduce to v plus 7 and v minus 1. this right here should be a V also. That's a V. And then on bottom, I can take out a 7V. And that's going to leave me with a V plus 7 on the inside. So I can cancel out my V's plus 7. My final answer is V minus 1 over 7V. All right, on top, I can take out a 9N. And that leaves me with N minus 4. And on bottom, I still have N minus 4. So those cancel. So this answer just ends up being 9N. Okay, nothing can be taken out on top. But on bottom, I can take out a 9x. And that leaves me with 2x plus 9. So I can do 45 divided by 9. And that gives me 5. So my numbers are gone. This x and one of these x's cancel. So I still have an x on top. And then on bottom, I have a 2x plus 9. So if you will go try worksheet 6.1 and let me know if you need help.